In this second TNT session, I will show you how to set up a scene with environment, lights, and camera that can be used to generate photorealistic pictures and movies. This time I'll use a vacuum cleaner to illustrate some really cool capabilities. We are still in the real-time rendering workbench and still seamlessly integrated with CATIA V5. Here is our vacuum cleaner. Nice, isn't it? First, I'll set up the environment, giving a context to our newly designed product. I have the choice between different predefined environments. I'm going to start with the cylindrical one and change it a little bit. First, I'll set the height to 2400 millimeters. It's the average height of a room. Next, I'll set the cylinder's vertical position so our vacuum cleaner doesn't appear to be floating above the floor. Now let's apply some nice materials to the environment. As shown in the previous TNT session, I have access to a catalog of materials. To add a material, I just have to drag and drop the ones I want on the different walls and floor. Here I have used a wood floor with red brick walls. The second step is to give some life to the scene by adding lights. To do so, I select the light icon and position it interactively using interactive viewpoint manipulation. I have a top view now. First tip, synchronize the light position using the Update from View icon. It's very easy. We have access to more options in order to tweak this first light. I'm going to switch the spotlight to a directional one for a more global lighting effect. I can easily switch the light on and off using the little icon at the top. Let's add another light perpendicular to the surface of our vacuum cleaner. But first, another tip. Switching into the wireframe mode will let you manipulate the scene more easily, especially if you don't have high-end hardware. To add a new light perpendicular to the surface, just click on the icon. Then the surface. That's it. Next, I will change the intensity of the light. Now we are back in the Shading with Material mode. In the last step of the scene creation, I'll add cameras simulating different viewpoints. Another tip, positioning the camera is as easy as positioning the lights. Manipulate the product and then update the camera view from the current view. I can also change the focal distance interactively to further highlight the perspective. You can create as many environments as you want, then store and reuse them. Here I have imported another environment that I have activated through the contextual menu. I'm adding a piece of furniture, a red sofa. Switching on some of the lights and activating a camera. From here, I can either create pictures for design review, brochures, or even a movie like this one. That ends this second tips and tricks on version 5 rendering capabilities. See you soon for another session.